Ready to cash in on those Solana meme coin gains? This video will show you exactly how to swap your meme coins for Sol using your Phantom wallet. First, make sure you have your Phantom wallet unlocked and that you have some Sol in your wallet to cover transaction fees if you need to add some Sol. Simply click the deposit options for your wallet and follow the steps. Next, open the browser icon in your Phantom wallet. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. From here, navigate to a decentralized exchange or DEX. On Solana, popular choices include Radium, Orca, or Jupiter. Make sure you are using the official website address to avoid scams. Once on the DEX, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner. Click it and select Phantom Wallet from the list of options. Your wallet should now be connected to the DEX. Now, it's time to swap your meme coin for Sol in the swap interface. Select the meme coin you want to sell in the top field. Use the search bar to find it if necessary, or manually import the coin using the coin's contract address. Then, select Sol in the bottom field. Enter the amount of meme coin you wish to sell. Before proceeding, double-check the swap details, including the amount of Sol you'll receive and the transaction fees. Pay close attention to the estimated slippage. Consider adjusting this setting if the swap keeps failing. Once you're happy with the details, click the swap button. Your Phantom wallet will pop up, prompting you to approve the transaction. Review the details again and click Approve to confirm. And that's it. After a few seconds, the transaction will be processed, and you'll see your SOL balance increase in your Phantom wallet. You've successfully sold your Solana meme coin. Remember to always trade responsibly and stay updated with the latest market trends.